Welcome to you guys, and this is Ganesh from MakeEasy, and today we discuss about the amazing cloud service Mega, and it will provide the 50 GB of free space, and you don't have to pay anything. It will give 50 GB of free space, and it is New Zealand based company, and so now we need to discuss all those things about Mega. So and this is the Mega, and this is the workspace, and this is the interface for Mega. When you open this, so you can screen see like this in this Mega. So first of all, we are in Cloud Drive. So this is the home page, and here you find the different types of folders, docs and photos. Okay, now we need to discuss about each and everything. And if you have the more files, more photos, more documents in the Mega, and you can search those with you using this search space bar, and you can search your photos. Like I want to search your photos, so you can find. Okay, if you have more things, and at the time you can search. And so if you have get any notification from your friends, or incoming files will be displayed like a notifications. So in the notification tab, okay, here you can get the notification. And here you find one more thing, that is green color tab. So the green color tab means so you are in online. So I think if you put as a away, busy or offline, so now I want to put as a offline. And this is your profile pic, and you can upload your own profile pic, and I'm using free version. And you can find the menu. This menu you have to find different options. So you can my account and Mega, about the privacy, and about and apps for Android and extensions and support. So you can take help with them, and developers, you can do the documentation of Mega, and visit the blog and corporate information on Cloud Drive. So language, and you can also view the Mega in different languages. And finally the logout thing, and we can complete the top view. And now we need to create one folder for it. One folder. First, just click on the new folder and enter the folder name. That is, I want to enter the folder name like documents. So already there, but I'm entered one more time. Okay, you can see this documents. So on this you can find the one more drop down menu. When you click on the drop down menu, you can click the open, information, favorite, and download, start download, and download as a zip. Get the link, and you can get the link. So agree, and this is the actual link. And so you can give the decryption link and decryption key, so like this. And also you can link with the decryption key, so you can use the different options. So generally the Mega stored like a decrypt form. So like that, will store like that, store like a decryption form. And I want to open this one, and now I want to upload something to this, and open this one. Okay, one upload was added to the transfers queue. Transfers queue means, so this one, file transfers. So this one is uploaded to this one. So now we go to the actual folder, cloud, and double click on this. So completed. So it will be displayed in the documents page. Okay, you can see the documents page, and you can view as a grid or a water. Okay, grid. And this is about upload the data into Mega. And something we need to discuss about this, share with me, and if your friends share files with you, and documents or photos or videos, and it will be displayed here. So those will be displayed at shared with me. and just like a Google Drive, and you can all those files will be displayed in this share with me tab. And you can also do the work chart with the so you can add the contacts and do the work chart with your friend with your contacts, only with your contacts. So you can add the contacts and mails. So just enter the mail. So I want to enter one more mail. Okay, so this is my mail. So I want to myself.com. So this user has been invited and will appear in contact list once accepted. So when you send a mail and you can accept, you can send a request. So they must be confirm your request. When you confirm your request, so it will be added as a contact, and you can do the work chart with that contact. So since it will not having any contacts, so that's why I don't have any conversations. So search for contacts. I don't have any contacts, and this is the beta version, and we can display this is the like a trash. So you can, if you delete any files from Mega, so automatically it will be stored in the bin, means just like a trash in the Google Drive. And we find settings tab. When you click on settings tab, now it is loading. Display same thing like this. Okay, the account, my account. Okay, then in this my account, and it will be the 50 GB of services, and I'm using 0%. So I'm using 3.4 MB of space, and this is the free version. So there is no any billing cycle, and the account balance is 0. And about the profile, and this is my profile. You can edit your profile or change name, so at any time. Okay, and you can change avatar, means you can so add the image. Okay, you can add image, so like change and select an image, and this is my image, and select this one. It is in opposite direction. Okay, use this one. So now I want to remove this one. Yes, I want to remove. And the history, means so list of which browser you are using for Mega, so it will be displayed the time, and so displayed in the history. And you find another settings. Okay, in the settings we have to the sorting preferences, like folder, and we have to the sorting like a per folder, or a view mode preferences, or a font size, it has a small, and number of parallel uploads, so 6, and parallel downloads, okay, 6. Speed limit, okay, 10,000 kbps. So you can skip identical files when you are uploading. Yes, automatically skip the identical files, and download with the Mega Sync with the running. Yes, and rubbish bin cleaning scheduler, no. So I want to save this one. Okay, your settings has been changed successfully. And one more thing, that is this file transfer. And file transfer, when you click on the file transfers, so recently uploaded files will be displayed in the file transfer. Not only uploading files, the downloaded files also will be displayed at the transfer files. And this is about Mega. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you like it, and keep supporting me. Subscribe and comment, and if I am missing anything in this Mega, please comment below, and hope you like it. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.